I'm right now embarrassed to even show the condition of my shop. This is ridiculous. Look at this mess. Look at all this junk, the floor. Oh my goodness, look at this. That's ridiculous. My garbage can has exploded like a volcano and just destroyed everything. Crap everywhere. Paper. Fire. Dr. Pepper. Look at this mess. It's crazy. My exhaust fan, if y'all have never seen it, for my paint booth here, that is ridiculously, what would you call this? This is a hoarder's treasure of Chevy. I've got to
Can't get the pressure washer in the shop. My water hose ain't long enough, so it's pretty annoying. But got everything cleaned up here. Turn the lights on. Oh, wait, wrong lights. All right, what do we got? Got my table back. Welder's in the spot it's supposed to be in. I got a table I can work on again. Put my oil dry in there. Got this pretty organized. Need some more paper towels. There's my junk drawer for the air chucks. Plier drawer, hammers, fluke meter. All my cool flick, double flex head ratchets. Pretty awesome. My random drawer down there with some air tools. My other ratchet wrenches right here. Gloves on the back. Got everything set up to go for my truck right here. Ready to get it in here and start on it. I want to see if this sub works. It came in that car I bought, but I got my heavy duty spring compressor. Got all my coolers, and then I got my other old school spring compressor. All right, organized all those drawers as well. Don't feel like I went through it. Believe it or not, that's cleaned up right there. Without having a professional setup for paint. Got your lacquer thinner, goes here, down here, into my can when I'm cleaning my guns. It works fine. It's not perfect. There's a bunch of my old guns. If I need to, I'll steal parts off of. Those are cheap throwaway guns for furniture type stuff. My soda jet. I typically use the PPS cups. I only got one left though. I gotta get some more. Here's the 68 Impala, or Bel Air, not Impala. Selling parts off of it, so if you need anything, let me know. Got the clusters. I got multiple clusters, steering columns. Everything in this car worked. It's just ugly because it's 4-door. I think y'all have seen my paint booth before. You see how many lights I have? I'm gonna have a window over there. Lights, 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 lights. And then of course, lights up there. And a lot of times I'll put lights like right here on the floor. Just pull that plastic curtain and close it off.